Looking for Bissell vacuum cleaners? Here's a collection you've got to see. At any time you like. Just click this banner and get real-time deal on your favorite products. Number 1, Powerful Pet Hair Pickup, in a lightweight and agile design. By Bissell, Save Pets. Bissell donates up to $10 to the Bissell Pet Foundation. For every pet product purchase, upon activation, by Bissell. Number 2, Bissell Garage Pro Wall-Mounted, Wet-Dry Car Vacuum / Blower with Auto Tool Kit, another great product by Bissell. Number 3. For real-time updates and price drops, just click this link below. We will automatically add these items to your cart. Number 4, the Bissell PowerGlide Pet Upright Vacuum is a versatile solution for cleaning many of the surfaces of your house, especially for homes with pets. Number 5, meet the lightweight and powerful Air-Ran Cordless Vacuum. Equipped with a 22-volt lithium-ion battery, this cordless vacuum delivers up to 40 minutes of powerful, fade-free suction across carpets, hard floors, and area rugs, also by Bissell. Number 6, Bissell Pet Hair Eraser, Upright Vacuum with Tangle-free Brushroll. Say goodbye to hair wrap. Number 7, the Bissell Powerclean Wet and Dry Vacuum. Has a high-power 11-amp motor, with a combination floor tool that allows for excellent cleaning on hard floors, area rugs and low-pile carpet. Number 8. This is one of many great products we got in stored for you. Number 9. Number 10.